outlawed terrorist group, the Balochistan Liberation Army (BLA), has once again revealed its true face. Barbaric, merciless, and driven by foreign agendas. In a brutal assault on a passenger train, innocent civilians, including women and children, were mercilessly gunned down in cold blood. This heinous crime, carried out during the sacred month of Ramadan, exposes the sinister motives of those who seek to destabilize Pakistan. But while the enemies of Pakistan orchestrated chaos, our brave security forces responded with unparalleled courage. The Pakistan Army launched a swift and precise operation, eliminating all terrorists and rescuing hostages with minimal loss of life. This mission stands as a testament to the unmatched professionalism and valor of our armed forces. This latest attack is not an isolated event. The BLA has long been operating as a proxy force, receiving direct support from Pakistan's enemies. Their violent campaigns is fueled by external sponsors aiming to spread terror and destabilize our nation. Even as bullets flew on the ground, a parallel war was launched online. A massive coordinated anti-Pakistan propaganda campaign swept across social media, driven by Indian networks, PTI-linked accounts, and other hostile elements. Instead of condemning terrorism, they worked tirelessly to distort facts, vilify Pakistan's institutions, and mislead the public. Instead of standing with the victims, she amplified the voices of their killers, proving once again that some so-called activists are nothing more than tools of anti-Pakistan propaganda. However, the truth cannot be hidden. The international community has strongly condemned the barbaric act, with global organizations and governments reaffirming that BLA is nothing but a terrorist outfit with no legitimate cause. Pakistan has once again urged the world to take strict action against foreign safe havens that continue to support such groups. But the most powerful response came from the defenders of the nation, our fearless Pakistan Army. With strategic precision and unwavering resolve, our soldiers neutralized the terrorists, secured the hostages, and restored peace within hours. Their heroism sends a clear message. Pakistan will never bow down to terrorism, and those who conspire against our homeland will be crushed with full force. This attack and the disgraceful disinformation war that followed are stark reminders for the hybrid threats facing Pakistan. But today, as always, our nation stands strong. The enemies of Pakistan have failed, their lies have been exposed, and their cowardly acts have been avenged. Pakistan Zindabad. This is Amara Farad Baloch, and you're watching Nexus Bulletin.